Hey everyone, Dr. Emily Savage here with Revive Upper Cervical Chiropractic. And a very common question or statement that we hear is, really my issue is that I have low back pain. Is there anything you can do for that? And the answer is yes. When you have a misalignment at the top of your spine, it usually causes your head to tip and teeter off balance a little bit. So what we'll see is that someone's head just kind of falls to one side and favors that side a little bit. And when that happens, it kind of causes a domino effect throughout the rest of your spine. You have this thing called your righting reflex in your brain. So your brain wants to be level with the horizon visually as often as possible. And so it's going to do whatever it can to make sure that that's happening. Is that the head will fall off to one side here, but in order to compensate for that, the shoulders will tip. And so it'll look like we have a high shoulder, and then the hips have to compensate as well. So it looks like you've got a high hip, which looks like you maybe have a short leg now. So this whole process can cause tight and spastic muscles. It's the origination of where a lot of that low back pain comes from, is just muscles that are tight and in spasms, which can cause really sharp and kind of shocking pain. It can cause numbness and tingling, or things like sciatica, which then can perpetuate tissue damage down the road. It's started by different accidents and injuries, but in the same light, a lot of this imbalance throughout the spine can also perpetuate us to have just like further accidents and injuries and things like trips and falls and being out of balance. So at the end of the day, yes, low back pain is something that can absolutely be helped by upper cervical care. So if this sounds like somebody you know, share this video with them and we'd be happy to chat and see if we can help them out.